Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's look will be an angel look. It is inspired by the Victoria's Secret Fashion Show 2018. I wanted to look like an angel this year, so I came up with this look. I filmed this tutorial. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more. So jumping right into this angel look. Brows are done. Look at that. My Morphe brush. I will say that I already moisturized my face. I get oily, so I try not to do too much shiny activity with primers, dewy foundations, etc. Face is so red because I exfoliated like an idiot before this. Okay, now with the Patrick Star powder from MAC, I'm going to take and set that concealer down on my eyelids. So with recreating this Victoria's Secret Fashion Show 2018 look, I'm kind of winging this off of something that I had in mind, and I'm also kind of going off of what Charlotte Tilbury did for her official look. I'm going to go in with the Master Palette by Mario from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to mostly use the shimmer shades and then maybe use just a light matte brown to blend them all in. We really want to be angel-like, angelic. Ah. Next, I'm gonna go in with this. With the eyeshadow is I'm tapping it into the shadow. You can blow it off or tap it if you're doing someone else's makeup because you don't want any spit or nothing getting on the brush. And so the heaviest amount of product, which is on your brush right now, you'll start at this corner in your crease, and you're gonna work it back in to the front of the eye, and all that powder should really be coming off your brush by the time you get into here, which you want to be light. Once there's even more product off your brush, you're going to go back into that shimmer shade that's on your eyebrow, and you're going to all blend it in. It's all going to blend in very nicely. So now with that same color of brown, I'm going to go in with a highly defined. I'm going to take that and I'm going to use it as sort of a eyeliner slash wing to just wing out that top of my eyeball, my eyelid. Okay, I know you guys are thinking that's probably like we can do without that. It's too quiet in here and I just can't get jazzed up. Level up, 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 level up. Alright, I'm feeling so much better, so pumped. Let's get into it. Next, I'm going to go in with my Born This Way Absolute Perfection Foundation by Too Faced. Love this stuff. Going in with that Naked Concealer. All right, going back in with the Patrick Star by MAC. Oh, this is the Patrick Star translucent setting powder from MAC. That set, everything's set. We're gonna go back in, finish up our lower eye. Going in with my Ride or Die, as you already know, Clinique. Okay, angels, eyes are done, so now we just have to finish up this face. We are gonna contour ever so slightly because I don't feel like they had a lot of contour, but my face is not as thin as an angel. So we're gonna perform some magic. As I've said before, girls, get this on your chin. We're gonna do just an ever so soft. We're not gonna go down very far. We're just going to sculpt this cheekbone. This is just going to make us look just a hair thinner than we are. As you can see, I made my contour not go down so long. So I stopped it about midway. That way it doesn't come down. It just makes it look a little lighter, that we're not trying so hard. So now with the brush that I always put my setting powder on with, I'm gonna just go in here and just lightly dust so that that contour didn't come down too far when I was stippling. So we just snatched our nose. Now I'm gonna take this Tantastic Omega Bronzer by Marc Jacobs. Calls for special occasions. Now that I got that, it's really gonna add a glow for us. We are gonna be glowy. Last step to be an angel is to add a lot of highlight, a lot of glow. And so we're gonna add our highlight to our highlighted areas, our nose, the inner corner of our eyeballs, the tear ducts, and we're going to put on some lipstick. So we're almost there. Since we want to be an angel and we want to be extra glowy, I'm going in with a very light highlighter. It's from Becca. It is the Moonstone, so it's very white. And we're using the Morphe M510. Those girls are extra glowy, so I'm gonna go a little cray cray. I'm using the Milani Most Natural Easy Liner for lips. So the last step for our lips is going in with She Better Work by Patrick Starrr MAC. The key is to press, 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 press. So I hope this wasn't too long and drawn out, but this is my version of what my makeup would be as an angel, a Victoria's Secret angel. Don't forget to watch the Victoria's Secret Fashion Show 2018 on ABC December 2nd at 10 p.m. I had to think about it. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. And if you're liking my videos so far, subscribe.